Welcome guys to a brand new video. In this video, I'll talk about the Power Pivot. This is an advanced version of pivot table. This basically able to you can create a pivot table using multiple tables. In pivot, we only have the restriction of using one table. In Power Pivot, we can use multiple table and create a one big pivot table where we have the all the tables combined. Now, normally you won't have this Power Pivot icon here. We have to add it. So let's just quickly see how we can add it. Go to File, go to More, and there we'll have the options. Go to Add-ons, Add-ins, and here we'll see the Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. It is currently grouped under Type Com Add-ins. So in bottom you will see the Manage. Here we'll see select the Com Add-ins and click on Go, and then automatically you'll have the Power Pivot. Now let's just see how what kind of data we have here. We have the salary bracket where we have the employee labels, the title, experience, salary, and bonuses. In transaction, we have the customer, product, sale price, sale cost, and staff ID. And in employee, we have the sales staff ID, name, country, age, and level. This also level is this one. Now I'll show you how you can use the Power Pivot. I'll just quickly cross this and open a new Excel file. Then we'll go to the Power Pivot and we'll click on Manage. From here, we will import our Excel data from the other sources. Click on there, go to Excel file and click on Next. Here will Excel path will select the this one and use the first row as column header and click on Next. So we'll have all the data. We had the three tables. We'll see the three tables here and click on Finish. Will just take a minute. Uh, yeah. Now we'll have the three tables. This is employee, this is salary bracket, and this is transaction. So to be able to create that pivot table, we first have to create a relationship between all these tables. So let's just quickly go to the diagram view. See, we'll have these three tables here. Just expand this. You'll be able to see it. Yeah. So this staff ID is linked to this staff ID. So we can just drag it like this, and it will create a one-to-many relationship. See. And now the employee level is also connected to this level. So we'll like this, and it will also create a relationship. Now just the relationship is created now. Now go to the data view. Let's just see, go to transaction. For example, you will use here the profit. What is the profit here? So will equals to sale price minus sales cost. If we press enter, it will automatically create the profit. We'll just rename this as profit. Okay. So this is the new thing, but we can also do this in Excel. So what's special about the Power Pivot? Okay. So let's just see we have the staff ID here. We'll use the name. We want the name here. So use the related function. Okay, related. So here we'll have the employee name. Just press enter. We'll automatically have the name. For example, we also want to like do a sum total for this profit. Like we'll use sum and we'll use this profit here. Okay, just press enter and see we'll have the profit here in the bottom. It is saying measure one. We'll rename this as total profit. And remember this because we'll use this total profit measure one for the KPIs in the later part. Now we are all done here. Now we'll create a pivot table. We'll go to pivot table here and a new worksheet. So this is the pivot table. Now you can see that we have the employee, salary bracket, and transaction. All three data are present here. For example, we'll use the employee from employee will use the name. We got the name here. We want like we want to see what is the profit. Like we also created a profit in the transaction tab, right? Transaction table. Yeah, this is the profit. So this is the profit. But the basic thing is that you can create anything from this because all these three tables are present here. All the three tables are present here. This is the employee table, this is the salary bracket, and this is the transaction. All three tables are present. Now, what about the KPIs? We'll ultimately use the pivot table to analyze, right? What about the KPIs? Let's just click on KPI, the new KPI here. Remember, we all created this total profit there. And let's just go to absolute value. For example, our profit should be, let's just say, over 7,000. The absolute value should be 7,000. Below that, it will show red or yellow, kind of like that. So let's just add this at 5. We can manually change this, right? This should be at 7,000 and this should be at like 5,000. Okay, and let's just click. Okay, now we'll go to transaction. There's the now we'll want to see the total profit and the KPIs. Now we'll select total profit, goal, and status. There we'll see the status. Now we don't want this. Let's just see like Lesnar is doing good profit. Stone Cold also is in good profit, but the rest of are below. And Orton is like below the like the maturity level. So that's how we're able to analyze it. And yeah, that's the PowerPoint. But there are also many other sections here, the all this thing, but it will create a very long video, so I'll stop here. Thank you. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. Thank you. Bye guys.